What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to ChriSamz property tour. And guys, today we're standing on the outside of Phoenix Park Village, and I'm going to give you guys a quick drone update on what is going on with this development. Before I go into Phoenix Park, guys, if you're looking to do some renovation to your property, if you want drywall installation and finishing, if you want some crown molding, whether on a ceiling or you want baseboard installed, say you want to put molding around your door frame, you want your house painted, guys, just click on the link below and check out Crafted by Hope. So you can link him up, he can give you a nice price and he can give you awesome finishing. All right, so guys, remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to leave your comment, and remember that ChriSamz property tour give you guys the best drone footage of these development. So Phoenix Park is coming on pretty well. You've seen how they've been performing over the years, and every time we come to this development, we have a lot of update in terms of structures going up and finishing to show you guys. While I may not be able to tell you what is being sold now or how many units are available, you can see the work going on from the drone shot. So I'm going to fly the drone right now for you guys to see what is taking place with this development, and I can catch you guys on the other side of this video. So when the drone land, you'll see me again, but until then, we're taking it to the skies. So there we have another beautiful shot of Phoenix Park. I haven't been lying. You guys see the evidence for yourselves. Development is always delivering and the units are always going up. I know a lot of times persons can spot their units from the drone videos. So if you're seeing your unit in this video, drop me a comment down below. You don't need to screenshot like some persons have done in the past to circle and say this is my unit. But if you've seen yours, drop a comment, drop a fire emoji, drop something. But guys, thanks as always for supporting this channel. We are not as consistent as we would want to be, but it's things beyond our control, circumstances that we can't change at the moment. But we are still working on it and we're still delivering the content. So remember to check out Crafted by Hope. They're on Instagram and their contact information is also down below in the description for your painting, your drywall, your molding, your shore coating, whatever it is that you want to do on your place. Check him out today and you won't be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for making it ChriSamz property tour one more time for your drone update at this beautiful development. And until next time guys, I'll catch you in another video. So bless upon yourself and it's peace out from ChriSamz. Take care.